Job, Grant. I'm going to tell your mom and dad to give you an allowance. Thank you for helping unload the dishwasher. You're doing a good job. Any more?
Mama.
There any more silverware?
Mama.
That's it? No more? Oh, you're going to close the drawer. Thank you, Grant. Thank you. I can't believe you're working so hard. Yeah, you're working super hard. Good job, Grant. Oh, good job, Grant. Oh my goodness, can we put it in here? Can we put it in there? Thank you. Oh my gosh, you're such a big helper. I can help. Let me do it. Okay, close the door. Thank you, Grant. Did we do all the dishes?
Mama.
Yeah. Did we do all the dishes? Are there no more dishes? I see a few more. Grant, that's all. Okay, thank you. I'm going to put it in the drawer. Yeah. Okay, we got to put it in the drawer. Good job, Grant.